Oga Joe, what is the problem? I could hear the cry of your son from the next street. Why are you beating that boy like that now?
Victor Isibor, don't mind that stupid boy. I'll go and conduct a DNA test on that boy. I don't think he's my son. Reports reaching me from his secondary school says during exams, he is always busy copying the work of other people. You can imagine, copy during exams. My own son. I am academically accomplished. I graduated in flying colors. I was top of my class throughout my schooling days. So why should my own son be busy copying other people? I came first in all my schools, graduated in flying colors. Aren't nonsense.
70 years old man.
I always wonder, who were those that failed during the schooling days of our parents? Because all parents tell their children they graduated in flying colors.
This man!
All the parents in this world came first during their school days. Please, where are those that came last?
Chai!
We want to see them. Nonsense.
Oh, no.
Oga Joe, you say you want your son to be like you, to graduate in flying colors and be original like you. There is nothing original about you, sir. Do you know that on this street, people describe you with your suit? Yes, that man that wears that blue suit. You wear this suit every day. This suit has become like your skin. Hey! Then that your jalopy, Peugeot 504. They say you bought that car exactly 37 years ago. You can't even change your car. And you are praying and hoping that your son will be like you. So who is going to break the chain of poverty in your family?
Jesus! Jesus! Jesus!
It is parents like you that disowned their children who decided to pursue a career in football or music. You say school is the way. You disown such children. Look at musicians, look at footballers today. They are some of the richest people in the society. And you, who graduated in flying colors, you are so poor, you can't fly when you want to travel.
Jesus is Lord!
Why somebody like me that did not graduate in flying colors, anytime I want to travel, I fly? First class. See, allow your son to copy during exams. There's no copyright law in exam. Everyone can write the same thing verbatim and still pass. Copying is teamwork. Allow him to copy. See, look at me. No copy, no me. I made my first million from photocopying business. Yes, there's copy there. I built my first house from the money I made doing copywriting. Allow your son to copy. I copied all through university. All those that used to cover their work at school. Preventing other people from copying them. I hope you all are presidents and governors today. Wicked people. Many of them ended up as bricklayers and POS attendants.
Photo! Not be juju be that.
Motivational speakers will say, stop copying others. Be original. Be you. Be you. The question is, who are you?
Oh, Mumu, not too much.
They say be you, be you. Before you try to be you, ask yourself, who are you? You are a nobody. You are a non-entity. You are a fool. Yet they say be you, and you are happy.
You be Mumu. You think say they wise. You are a Mumu man.
The same motivational speakers will tell you to understudy the rich and successful people. Let them be your mentor. You see that they are mad people. They are contradicting themselves. Please, don't mind all these hungry motivational speakers. Oh. If you see people better than you, copy them. Copy them. I am very, very rich today because up till now, I still make money copying other people. It is called copy trading. I have left a link to a very reliable copy copy trading platform in the description of this video, where you have the opportunity to automatically copy the trades of those that know how to trade better than you. Same trades are taken for you, and you make the kind of money that they are making. Copy trading can make you as rich as the father of DJ Copy. That is Femi Otedola, the Femi with the dollar. You say it's not good for your son to copy. He should not copy, but you want him to be like you. He should not copy other people, but he should copy you. Can't you see that you are being hypocritical? Follow who know road. If you see somebody better than you, copy them. If you see somebody that knows how to trade better than you, copy them, so that you will emulate those that are prosperous and successful, so that you can replicate their success. There's a link to a very reliable and profitable copy trading platform in the description of this video. Go there and copy their traders and make the kind of money that they are making. Hey, what is enough for the wise? So I'm out of here.